Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have seen how to apply Hungarian method to solve the problems which are minimization of assignment problem. Today we are going to see how to solve maximization assignment problems. So a maximization problem can be converted to minimization by subtracting every element of that table from the largest element of the table. So consider an example. Find the optimal assignment of salesmen to districts that will result in maximum sale. So this is case of maximization assignment problem. So there are 5 salesmen and 5 districts are there. Salesmen first, second, third, fourth and fifth, and there are 5 districts A, B, C, D, E. The table is given 32, 38, 40, 28, 40, 40, 24, 28, 21, 36, 41, 27, 33, 30, 37, 22, 38, 41, 36, 36 and 29, 33, 40, 35 and 39. So 5 salesmen and 5 districts are given and we want to solve the problem for maximization. So what is first step? Convert maximization problem to minimization. So in the first step we will convert maximization assignment to minimization problem by subtracting all elements of the table from the largest element. See the largest element in the whole table. The largest element is 41. So we will subtract it total from 41. That is from 41. So subtract every element from 41. We get the minimization problem. We are subtracting every element from 41. So 41 minus 32, 9, 3, 1, 13, 1, 1, 17, 13, 20, 5, 0, 14, 8, 11, 4. (41) minus 22 are taking from, we are subtracting from 41. So 41 minus 22, 19, 41 minus 38, 3, 0, 36, 5, 5, this one, so 12, 33, so 8, 1, 41, 6 and 39, 2. So now this is minimization problem. Once we get minimization, we will use Hungarian method, that is firstly from every row we find the minimum and subtract it from each row. So the reduced matrix is, we are subtracting from each row the smallest element. So we get the matrix as 8, 2, 0, 12, 0, 0, 16, 12, 19, 4, 0, 14, 8, 11, 4, 19, 3, 0, 5, 5, 11, 7, 0, 5, 1. Now again subtract from each column the smallest element. So we get the next reduced matrix by subtracting the smallest of each column from that column. So the first column, because 0 is the smallest, it remains as it is. Second column, smallest is 2. So we are subtracting 2 from every element. 0 is the smallest, so the third column remains as it is. 5 is the smallest, so remains. And last column 0 is the smallest, so last column remains as it is. Now we search for, so every row and every column contains 0. Now search for single 0. Single 0 appears in second row, so box that, strike of the others. Now single 0 appears in the last column, so box that, strike of the others. Now there is no single 0 in any row or any column, so box any one, at the same time cross out the remaining. And now box this one as a single. Observe that there are only 4 assignments. We require 5 because it is equal to order of the matrix. So the row which do not contain assignment, tick that row. In that mark row where 0 appears, that column, and in that column where assigned 0 appears, that row. Unmarked rows and marked column gives the number minimum horizontal and vertical lines that will cover all zeros. Now from the remaining uncovered element, find the smallest element, subtract it from uncovered element and add it at intersection point. So we get the new matrix as the minimum element is 4, so we are adding at intersection point, becomes 12, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 10, 8, 10, 0, 0, 8, 4, 2, 0. Adding 4 at intersection point, 19 plus 4, 23, 1, 0, 0, 5, 11 plus 4, 15, 15, 5, 0, 0, 1. Now observe that each row contains 0. Similarly, each column contains 0. So search for single 0. Single 0 appears in second column. So box that 0. At the same time, strike out the remaining in that row or column. Again search for single 0. Now observe that there is no single 0 in any row or any column. Means that there are multiple assignment possible. Now you have to box any one and cross out the remaining. So suppose we will box here. If you box this, the remaining get cross out. Now search for single 0. Single 0 in third row. So box that. Now again there is no single 0. Means that multiple assignments are possible. If you box this, you have to cross out the remaining and box this. Observe that number of assignments are 5. Means that this is the optimal assignment. So what is the assignment? The salesman 1 is assigned to city B, 2 is assigned to city A, 3 is assigned to city E, 4th is assigned to city C, and 5th is assigned to city D. See the maximum sale for this. For B, so what is the profit or what is the maximum sale? The maximum sale is, see for B, first B that is 38 plus for A 40 plus third E that is 37 plus for fourth it is C means 41 plus for fifth it is D that is 35. $191. So the maximum sale is 191 rupees. Now see that because at the same time there are many zeros, there is no single zero, means that alternate solution exists. So we will find the alternate solution also. Alternate solution means the assignment changes but the maximum sale price remains as it is. So I will consider the same table and find the alternate assignment. So alternate solution exists. See, start with the same table. 12, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 10, 8, 10, 0, 0, 8, 4, 2, 0, 23, 1, 0, 0, 5, 15, 5, 0, 0, 1. Search for single 0 and single 0 appears in second column. So second column we box the 0, cross out the remaining. Now observe that no row or no column contains single 0 and therefore alternate solution you are able to find. See, last time we have crossed out this. Now suppose I consider this one. So box this. Means that the remaining gets crossed. So these two gets crossed at the same time because of this. Now search for single 0. Single 0 appears in this first column. So box this, and now there is no single 0. So again alternate is possible. See, the last time we have considered this one. Now I will consider this one and cross out the remaining. So suppose I consider this one. So this will get cross and this will get box. So this is alternate solution. So what is optimal solution or optimal assignment in this case? The optimal assignment in this case is the salesman first is assigned to city B, salesman second is assigned to E, third is assigned to A, fourth is assigned to D, and fifth is assigned to C. See the maximum sale price. So what is maximum sale? For B, first B means 38 plus second E, that is 36, plus third A, that is 41, fourth D, that is 36, and fifth C, that is 40. Observe that cost is again 191 rupees. So in this case we get the optimal solution. We are able to find many optimal solution in this because we are able to choose any one among the choices. There are many choices. So more than 2 optimal solutions obviously occur in this example. Now again consider the more example to get the idea clear. Solve the following assignment problem. To maximize profit. So there are 4x4 matrix is given to us and we want to maximize the profit. 42, 35, 28, 21, 30, 25, 20, 15, 30, 25, 20, 15 and 24, 20, 16, 12. We want to maximize the profit in this case. So see the example. Among all these elements, because we have to maximize the profit, means that we have to find the largest element and subtract all the elements from this largest so that it converts to minimization. So first case, convert maximization to minimization by subtracting all elements of the matrix from largest element, and the largest element is 42. So subtract, we get the reduced matrix. Subtracting every element from 42, we get 0. 42 minus 35, 7. 42 minus 28, 14. 42 minus 21, 21. 12, 17. 42 minus 20 becomes 22. 42 minus 15. 42 minus 24, 42 minus 20, 42 minus 16, and 42 minus 12. Now minimization problem. So use Hungarian method. Find the reduced matrix which such that every row and every column contains 0. So the reduced matrix, first reduced matrix obtained by subtracting the smallest element from the of the row from every element. The first itself is 0, so remains as it is. Second row smallest is 12, remains 5, 10, 27 minus 12, 15. 12 is the smallest, 0, 5, 10, 15. 18 is the smallest, 0, 4, 8, 12. Now each column should contain 0. So the next reduced matrix, this column already has zeros. Nextly 4 is the smallest, so subtract 4, remains 3, 1. Smallest is 8, so subtract 8, 6, 2, 2, 0. Subtract 12, 21 minus 12, 9, 3, 3, 0. Observe that each column and each row contains 0. So next procedure, find the single 0. The first row has single 0, so box this, same time cross out the others. Second column contains single 0, so box that, cross out the remaining. Now only 2 assignments are done. Actually the order of the matrix is 4. So the row which do not contain assignment, there are 2 rows which do not contain assignment. Now consider the first row and complete the procedure. For the first row, in the mark row where 0 appears, that column, mark this column. In the mark column where 0 appears, mark this row. Now we will consider the second row and complete the procedure for this row. In this row where 0 appears, that column, and in that column where 0 appears, that row. Unmarked rows and marked column. So there are 2 horizontal and vertical lines which cover all zeros. From the remaining uncovered elements, find the smallest and subtract it from the uncovered and add at the intersection point. We get next reduced matrix as 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 5, 8, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. We are subtracting 1 from the uncovered elements and add at the intersection point 1. We get this one. Each row and each column contains 0. So search for single 0. First row contains single 0. Box this. Cross out the remaining. Search for single 0. Last column contains single 0. Box this. Cross out the remaining. Next. Second row contains single 0. Box this. Cross out the remaining. Observe that again the number of assignments are only 3. And therefore the row which do not contain assignment, then where 0 appears. Now consider first column where assigned 0 appears. Now in this where assigned 0 appears, in this unmarked rows and marked column gives all all lines which contains all zeros. From the remaining, select the smallest. The smallest is 1. So subtract 1 from uncovered element and add at the intersection point. The next reduced matrix 4, 7, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0 and 0. This is the next matrix. Now again search for single zero in the first row, box it, strike off the others. Next single zero in the fourth column, box it, strike off the other. Now there are no single zeros, so multiple assignment exist. You are able to box this, at the time cross out this and then box this single zero. So what we get, the assignment is, optimal assignment is, for first assign A, for second assign B, third assign C, and for fourth assign D. The maximum profit is, see the maximum profit, for first A it is 42 plus, for B it is 25 plus, C that is 20 and plus D that is 12. 99 rupees. Observe that here we have choices. If you consider this same matrix, see what we have. Consider the same, alternate solution exists. So alternate assignment exists. I will consider the same matrix here. See again, 0, 2, 4, 7, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. Single zero appears in first row, so I box this, cross out the remaining. Single zero in the last column, so box this, cross out the. Now see, you can able to select anyone. In the last time I have selected this and cross this. Now I will select this, suppose. In that case cross out this and again this. So this is alternate solution. So what we have assigned, the alternate solution is, the first is assigned to A, second is assigned to C, third is assigned to B and fourth is assigned to D. See the profit for that. For A, the profit is 42 plus C, that is 20 plus 25, and for D, it is 12. Observe that it is again 99 rupees. So, multiple assignment is possible in this case and the maximum profit comes to be rupees 99. Enough for the day. In the next lecture, we will see unbalanced assignment problem. Thank you.